Hello everyone, welcome to Nishad, Karim Art. Firstly, let me begin by wishing all my subscribers the best of health and hope that everyone is keeping safe during this difficult period. I must admit that it has been challenging to produce content, but hopefully you can still enjoy all that I have managed to produce so far. Today's video is a short clip featuring an acrylic pour I did recently, but didn't manage to acquire the complete footage. Nevertheless, I hope you enjoy what I've managed to put together. For today's pour, I'm working with just 4 to 5 acrylic colors ranging from orange, blue, green and some metallic golds. I will also be using some Maguire's silicone to help get some separation, which should produce some interesting cells. I will also be using about 8 to 10 plastic cups to help with mixing the colors before pouring. The canvas I'm working on is 3 feet by 9 feet, so it's quite a large piece. So I've spent the last half hour mixing my acrylics. So here you can see my blues, green, yellow to orange and golds. I've now poured all the colors in a sequence I hope will create the flow and color mix I want. I have 8 cups where all the colors I mixed previously have now been mixed together. I have also added my silicone, which I am hoping will create some interesting cells. After pouring all the paint out from the cups and maneuvering the canvas vertically, horizontally and so on, this is the final piece. I'm really satisfied with what the image turned out to be. Surprisingly, there's a good contrast of colors, but also there's a good harmony within the blues, the greens and the oranges.